Okay, good morning once again, everyone. So here we are starting with our new video lecture. We are moving toward our illustration number 31, page number 4.20. Question is given to us. Current asset 17 lakh, current ratio 2.5, liquid ratio 0.95, and we have to find out current liability, liquid asset and inventory. Okay, here is the solution. What we have to do, as we know that quick asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. This we have to know. This we already know. So now what we have to do is just we have to find out the quick asset, current asset for finding the inventory. So first of all, what we will do? We will assume. Let's assume current liability X. Okay, so now we will find out current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. So how much the current ratio? 2:5. Current asset is how much? 17 lakh. Current liability is how much? Nothing is given. X we have assumed. So X is equal to 17 lakh multiplied by 2.5. So how much it will come? It will come around 6,80,000. How much it will come? 6,80,000. So this I have to. This is the current liability. Okay. Now you know you got the current liability 6,80,000 here. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out liquid asset and inventory. For finding the liquid asset that means or quick asset. So quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability. Our second formula. So here is the liquid ratio is given 0.95 and quick asset is not given to us. So this we'll have to find out. Current liability we already know 6,80,000. So if we will multiply 6,80,000 with 0.95, then how much we get? 6,46,000. So our quick asset will come 6,46,000. Here I will write 6,46,000. That is our quick asset that we got. Now, quick asset we have 6,46,000. Current asset we know. We know current asset, yes, 17 lakh. So we can find out inventory. Inventory is equal to 17 lakh minus 6,46,000. How much it comes? It comes 10,54,000. Okay, so this is the solution. Practice in your copy so that and do it by yourself. Then see the video once again. Okay, moving to our next illustration, illustration number 32. Okay, this is the illustration number 32. Total days 12 lakh, total assets 16 lakh, fixed assets 6 lakh, non-current investment, long-term loans, borrowings, long-term provision, inventory means stock, prepaid expenses. This is the question to given to us in question asked to find out current ratio and quick ratio. Question asked to find current ratio and quick ratio. Okay, so how to find the current ratio and quick ratio? Okay, as we know, see on the blackboard. For finding the current ratio, we have to know current asset and current liability, because current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Now, current asset. So, what are the current asset here? Let me see. Total asset is given to us. It is a clue given, not directly given current asset. So, total asset is given, fixed asset is given, non-current investment is given, long-term provision advance is given. So, through these we can find out our current asset. Note. Current, note number 1. Current asset is equal to, what is the total assets minus fixed asset, non-current investment minus long-term loans and advance. Okay. So here our current asset will come, total asset 16 lakh minus 1 lakh fixed assets, 6 lakh fixed assets minus 1 lakh and minus 1 lakh. So here it will come 6, 7, 8. 16 minus 8, 8 lakh. This is what our current asset. Here I am writing current asset. Now, we also have to know current liability, because current liability is not given to us. So, note number 2, current liability is equal to, here Q is given to us, total debt minus long-term borrowing and long-term provisions. Long-term provisions and long-term borrowing and long-term provisions. So, it will come how much? 12 lakh minus 4 lakh minus 4 lakh, 12 minus 8, 4 lakh, 12 minus 4, how much? 8, 8 minus 4, 4 lakh. So this is our current liability. Okay. So what is our ratio? 2:1. That is asked to us. Got it? Now we have to find our quick ratio. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability. So quick current liability we have 4 lakh. Quick asset we don't have. So quick asset I am finding it here. है ना? From current asset minus inventory minus prepaid expense. So from 8 lakh minus inventory 1,90,000 minus prepaid expenses 10,000. So how much? 1,90,000 plus 10,000, 2 lakh. 8 lakh minus 2 lakh, how much? 6 lakh. So our quick asset will be 6 lakh. If I will cut 3:2, so our quick ratio is 3:2. Got it by everyone? Very simple.